In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Facebook password if you forget it. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And it doesn't matter if you are logged in or if you are logged out of your Facebook account, there is a way to see password for that specific account, and let me show you what to do to get your password. So first, open up your settings and there scroll down until you find passwords. And there you got all the passwords that was saved on your Apple ID account. So you can scroll down to find any site that you want to see passwords, and you can also use search bar to find the specific site if you don't want to scroll down. So I don't have a Facebook here, but I can show you how it works on the Twitter example. On the Facebook it will work by the same way. So here I got the specific username and password for that account, and their password is hidden, but if I tap on that password, the password will be shown and I will be able to copy that and then use this username and password to log into my account using the application. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.